to watch on I Want? I heard it's Love at First Sight.
Oh my God! Episode 7 mamaya, guys. Sobrang excited. But yes.
Yes.
Ba't ba tayo nandito,
May movie din, bro eh.
May movie?
Oh, may movie din. Pero bukod doon, bro, may live stream na magaganap on August 10.
Yes, and what's that? The Big Collab live stream.
If you guys don't know yet, kapamilya at mga kapuso, may concert po ang PBB Collab Housemates live at Araneta Coliseum.
Oh my gosh, Araneta. Araneta tayo, guys, tonight.
Yes.
Ay on August 10 and we're super excited kasi maraming po kaming mga pasabog dyan.
And the tickets are selling out. Grabe kayo, salamat sa pagmamahal.
Sold out na tayo.
Almost sold out.
I think if exactly 74 tickets na lang
left
for the live audience sa Araneta. Pero,
exactly. So, ang tanong,
what's the best thing?
Paano ang team bahay? Paano yung mga hindi makakabili ng tickets? Anong solusyon natin dyan, Emilio?
Ang solusyon natin dyan, mga kapamilya at mga kapuso, is we have live stream access on I Want!
Oh my God! So kahit nasa team bahay po kayo, team worldwide, team international, mapapanood nyo po live na live ang The Big Collab live stream.
Only for 199 pesos.
199 pesos lang doon. Oh my God! Mapanood mga favorite housemates. Nandun ang Team Millie, di ba?
Team Millie,
Rawi, Breka.
Meron ding Chares. Meron ding Asber. Dusby, meron ding Kish. Meron ding Kish.
Yes.
Diba? Meron ding
ang dami.
Cy Vince.
Diba? Yes. So, lahat po ng mga favorite housemates ninyo nandun.
Aisley, diba?
Aisley.
Grabe, lahat na po nandyan.
Yes, guys.
So, ayun.
So, exciting to.
Uy, salamat, Oh My Me, for purchasing your ticket kaninang 10 a.m. agad-agad.
In fact, it did go live at 10 a.m. And it's really selling fast. Kaya guys, unlimited naman ng tickets sa ating live stream. So, check it out on I Want.
Sirain na natin yung servers ng I Want sa pagbili nyo ng mga tickets, diba? Ay, hindi pala, sorry.
Ipag-crash natin sa daming bibili.
Pero bili lang po kayo.
Yes.
Diba?
Okay, Duo. So they're on the website of I Want. How will they purchase the tickets?
Baka you guys are thinking, paano ko bibili ng tickets? So, the first step is you have to go to iwanttfc.com.
Tickets.
Okay, you have to go tickets on iwanttfc.com and then log in or create an account using your active email. Tapos,
and then after you log in, go to the homepage at makikita nyo po dyan ang PBB Collab. Click the pre-book button. Ulitin ko po, PBB Collab, tapos may pre-book button.
Yes.
And then once you're there, anong makikita natin?
On the order summary, you can select your payment method and then enter your details.
Yes.
Ganun lang kasimple, guys.
Ang bilis.
Yes.
Very quick. And this is August 10 na, guys.
August
so next
10,
week.
Next week na po yan.
Special concert.
Sunday ba yun o Sabado? Sabado.
May replay ng Sunday.
May replay tayo ng Sunday. Kung di kayo makanood ng Sabado, okay lang. Kasi pwede kayo manood ng Sunday.
Parang Sunday yung 10, Duo.
Oo nga eh.
So pwede nyo bumili ng tickets na nanonood sa Araneta Coliseum, pwede rin sila bumili ng live stream.
Para may replay.
Of course.
Tama, diba? Kasi guys, instead of mag-video ka na mag-video mo puno storage ninyo, you have the whole recap on I Want. Diba? Grabe yun, may kopya na kayo.
Screen record dyan.
Exactly. So guys, let's check out the tickets na on I Want. Magbasa muna tayo mga shoutouts.
Yes.
Pag bumili kayo ng tickets, may shoutout namin kayo. Okay ba yun?
Okay lang yun.
Parang okay yun eh.
Yan.
Kasi yung isa kanina nakabili na siya at 10 a.m.
Si Oh My Me.
Oh My Me.
Para ma-shoutout namin kayo, screenshot your live stream tickets using #CoLoveLivestream on I Want. Tapos share nyo sa amin sa X kasi tumitingin po kami ngayon sa X sa mga tweets nyo. So maraming salamat.
Yes. Okay guys, so speaking of
Canada, Australia, UAE, tas saan pa, Duo?
We have UK, Japan, New Zealand, Saudi, Germany, Italy, Singapore, and Taiwan. At sa Mars!
Wow.
Pwede mo sa Mars!
Kung meron man dito na live stream from Mars, pwede po kayo manood dyan.
Grabe! Ang daming territories available. So you can really watch it wherever you are in the world with the following territories, of course. Kaya Team Bahay, Team Online, Team Online World, get your tickets
now. Please support us po. Maraming salamat. Ayan, and of course, pag nakabili na kayo, screenshot nyo na yung ticket ninyo. Tag us, Emilio, Michael, I Want, para get a free shoutout.
Yes. #CoLoveLivestream on I Want. Okay?
Yes.
Maraming salamat.
Manifesting magkaka-series sa I Want. Ang Millie!
Pwede,
Parang ang ganda
pwede.
nun.
Pwede
ang gandang i-manifest yun.
Ang ganda niyan. I-manifest pa natin yan. I-tweet niyo lang, guys.
Keep
Hashtag
tweeting,
million
guys.
I want.
Oh, hashtag million I want. Pag
Yan.
nilagay niyo yung hashtag na yun, dapat screenshot din.
Done ticket.
J
J
from Laugh Shooting.
Ayan,
Oh.
Jay. Congratulations, Jay.
Yes.
Yan.
Done
Okay.
ticket si... Oh yan, nag-hi Emilio na.
Yan. Okay.
Wow, grabe kayo guys.
So, ayun guys, please keep tweeting. Maraming salamat sa 585 viewers. Grabe
500
kayo.
viewers.
Maraming salamat po. Alam ko may work kayo ngayon, so thank you for taking some time here. Ayan, done ticket since 10 a.m. Thank you po.
Michael, when ka mag-propose kay Emilio? On I Want! Bili muna kayo ng tickets.
Bili muna
Yan yung
kayo.
solution
Last
natin
3 minutes
dyan.
na lang po
Ayan,
tayo.
okay na
Bili
last
na
2
po
minutes
tayo,
na guys.
bili na po
Matatapos
kayo.
ang ating live stream.
Yes! Come on!
Done by sa Team Believe.
Yan.
Done by live stream ticket.
Thank you, Team Believe!
Yes! Every time na
Woo!
bibili,
Yan.
pipinutin namin tong button
Oo,
na to.
tama.
Ayan.
Ayan.
Done
Meron
tickets.
ba? Meron
Familio,
ba?
bro!
Familio!
Hey! Nakabili na si Familio.
Maraming salamat.
Guys,
Maraming
dapat
salamat.
makailan tayong mga bili. Nasa
Yes.
3 na tayo.
Oo.
Maka-10 muna tayo bago
Baka
tayo
10 pa lang
mag-end,
tayo. Yan.
guys.
Okay?
Oo.
Meron pa ba?
See you sa concert.
Oh,
Platinum
Jose
Secrets.
Carlo! Platinum
Jose
Secrets!
Carlo! Apat na tayo.
Yan.
Nasa na tayo.
Yan.
Okay.
Meron pa
Watching
ba?
from TW Taiwan.
Wow.
Perfect because Taiwan is on the map for I
Yes.
Want if you want
It's
to watch
part
the
of the
live stream.
territory. So, sana bumili ka na.
Bumili ka na.
Yes.
199 pesos or $3.99 USD.
Oo.
At the price of that, makikita nyo live ang aming concert. Yes.
Yes, marami tayong surprises.
Oo.
Kaya you guys should watch the concert kasi marami po kaming pasabog dyan. I'm sure you guys are all gonna love it.
Exactly. Oh, but just now, si Miriam!
Yes!
Thank you, Miriam!
Congratulations, Miriam!
Thank you po.
So malapit na po kami makaabot sa quota namin, guys. Tulungan niyo kami kasi kung hindi, di kami papakainin.
Oo,
The joke
talaga,
lang.
guys. But we're at 857
Wow!
viewers! Wow! Grabe yun!
Maraming salamat sa inyo, guys.
Thank you.
Oo. So,
Natin yung instructions to
maglalagin lang po kayo sa iwanttfc.com.ph, go to tickets, and then log in or create your account using your active email.
And then after you log in, go sa homepage, makikita nyo ang PBB Co-Love with our poster. And then once you're there, click the pre-book button.
Yes.
Importante yung pre-book button para
on the order summary, pwede nyo i-select yung payment method nyo, tapos ilalog in nyo lang yung mga details nyo, i-enter nyo lang. Ganun lang po
Yes.
kasimple.
ang dali nun.
Yes.
And we're at 1.1K!
Guys, chillax lang kayo, baka masira yung TikTok natin, ha? Ako, di pwede yan.
Oh, nakailan na tayo? Do 5
Oo.
na.
Hey, bought 2 tickets si Chelsea!
Oh, bought 2 tickets!
Naka-7 na tayo. Salamat, Chelsea.
Thank you, Chelsea.
Okay, meron pa ba? Mga bibili ng ticket.
Si Chelsea excited sa mga
Chelsea bought 2
surprises.
tickets. Thank you, Chelsea.
Chelsea, it'll be worth it. Abangan
Oo.
nyo yan.
Ayan.
Okay.
Okay.
Pamain ang Meli. I-mine nyo muna
i-mine
mga
nyo muna ang
tickets.
tickets.
Sa mga 1.1 thousand viewers
1.3
dyan. 1.3 duo.
thousand viewers.
Wow.
Maraming salamat
Grabe
po.
kayo guys.
Yes.
But 1 ticket from
Okay.
As Miles.
Okay,
Oh,
8.
Gio.
That's 8.
That's
Dalawa na
8.
lang.
That's 8.
Dalawa na lang. Kota na po
Done
kami.
buying si Zach.
Ayan!
Zach,
Thank you!
that's 9.
Zach,
Isa na lang.
that's 9.
Let's go.
Come on. I bought 4 tickets,
Ah,
Joey!
4 tickets, Joey!
Thank you po!
Oh my God.
Kota na po kami.
We're at
Papakinggan na
13
po
tickets.
Kami. And at 1.5 thousand viewers.
Ituloy na natin to. 20 tickets.
Yan.
We're almost there,
Okay,
guys.
13.
Kaya nyo to. Kaya to 7
Ayan.
more. Oh.
Meron
Nasa
ba?
na, nasa
Meron
na.
ba?
Hintay namin yan. Ano
Oh.
binibenta nyo, kuya? Ulitin natin. Ang binibenta po namin ay ang napaka-espesyal na collab live stream tickets. Live where?
Yes, live. Siyempre, only on iWant. So, kung gusto niyo bumili ng tickets, punta lang muna kayo sa tickets.iwanttfc.com.
Now na. Gawin nyo
Yes,
yan now.
And tapos maglalogin lang kayo by creating an account using your active email.
Yes, and once nakalogin na kayo, go to the homepage, select the PBB Collab, and at the collab, you will see pre-book button. Once you see that pre-book button,
i-click nyo,
Yes,
diba?
tama. I-click nyo lang.
Tapos pagkatapos nun, makikita nyo yung order
Oh,
summary.
ticket secured! Sabi ni
Ayan,
Kevin.
40 na tayo. Maraming
14.
salamat. So,
Oo.
on the order summary details, you can select your payment method, then you just
5
your
tickets
details.
food! Secured! Oh my God!
Grabe.
Grabe
Sobrang saya.
yung 5! live!
Maraming salamat po. 1.8
Oh my God!
thousand viewers!
Bot 1 ticket si Hoshi!
Okay, 21 na tayo! Sobrang konti
Oh
na tayo,
my
guys.
God!
Maraming salamat.
Magkano
Maraming
po?
salamat.
Magkano?
Bot 3 tickets si Eliza!
Oh my God, Eliza! Shout out! And we're at 2,000 viewers!
Grabe.
Grabe
Secured
yun.
our 4 tickets. Maraming salamat. Maraming
We're at
salamat.
20 plus na.
Pero
Grabe.
guys, unfortunately, tinatawag na po kami. Nagre-rehearse kami ngayon dito sa secret location.
Yes.
Pero abangan pa mamaya.
6 tickets bought! Heather Lim!
Naka-30
Grabe kayo!
Naka-30 na kami. Magpapakain na sila. But again, guys, marami pang pasabog I Want today. Abangan pa ang
Exactly.
ibang collab housemates sa I Want
Oo.
TikTok Live mamaya.
Pero we set a high standard,
Yes.
duo! Naka-30 tickets
30
tayo!
tickets. Maraming salamat.
We love you
Maraming
guys.
salamat.
Yes, and we're
We'll
really
see you guys again
rehearsing
soon.
para
Yes.
for this live stream for our concert. Ginagalingan namin para sa inyo because you guys are supporting us. Thank you, mga
Thank you sa
kapamilya at
2,000
mga
viewers.
puso.
We'll see you guys again soon.
See you guys! Because you guys are supporting us. Thank you, mga
Thank you sa
kapamilya at
2,000
mga
viewers.
puso.
We'll see you guys again soon.
See you guys!